our level of funding in the health sector is still running between 3.7 to 6.5%. This is below what has been agreed by WHO of 14 to 15%, which some other countries are doing. Even if we raise that level to 14 to 15%, in order to ensure universal funding, we must still look at mixed funding. The private sector must be able to still come in. I think an estimation was done that we need something like 506 billion on an annual basis to be able to provide universal funding for all citizens in this country. To us to depend or to think that government alone can do that is totally not possible, especially when you look on average, the states today are doing between 3.5 to 6%. They need to go to 14%. Even if they do go to 14%, it's still not adequate. So what we need to do, I think, and I hope that the discussant participants would come up with ideas of how we can bring in private sector and make it a must as a country that everybody must have some kind of insurance cover that to ensure the entire population of Nigeria. At the moment, we have the NHIS, but that is just really the formal sector. Those are employed. What about the informal sector? The farmers, the women in the rural area that don't have jobs. Do we say that they are not entitled to health cover? And I think one of the reasons why this topic is very close to my heart, because when I had the opportunity as a governor, we introduced what we call Community Health Insurance Scheme in Kwara State, which is really addressing the informal sector, in ensuring that the informal sector pays as little as 300 naira a year. This was in partnership with the US, Dutch, and insurance companies. And I'm happy to say the law recently passed by National Assembly, National Health addresses this. And some of us made that a point, that we must get to, as a nation, where every single citizen of Nigeria has cover. And I believe that once there's affordability, then I think that it now makes it possible for some of our citizens to actually have health care. Because I think one of the reasons that the difference to most of them is because of the non-affordability. A lot of our citizens don't go into the clinics. They don't go into clinics for what? Simple blood pressure checks. Later on down, you now see those patients turning up at general hospitals and specialty hospitals with hypertension, diabetes, strokes, which could have been prevented with a strong primary health care where you have done prevention. Ditto if you have cases of malaria where, you know, if we have invested in clean water, in a better environment, and I think again we'll have prevented the cost. So what I believe will happen, if we can invest more in primary health care, the amount we're investing in secondary and tertiary will be reduced because we'll have prevented a lot of these cases. I hope those discussants who are here will be able to speak highly. And I'm happy that the governors, the chairman of the Governors Forum, and also the governor of Lagos State also were here, because I think it's important that the states, the state governors in the entirety of the 36 states have an approach on how we can address this issue of ensuring better funding in the primary healthcare sector. I think I want to just make that as my opening remarks, and I hope that at the end of today, we'll be able to leave here with a very strong message. The strong message is key, is how do we increase the funding in the health sector? Secondly, how do we shift the priority to primary health care? How do we move away from the idea or misnomer that once we build hospitals, and with more hospitals we build, it means that we're addressing healthcare. And that is not. And how do we ensure coverage? How does every Nigerian, whether he's employed or unemployed, can have insurance covered, and as such you have access to primary health care? I think we have the caliber of people, the professors here, and the distinguished, and the governors here, who can contribute in this area. On this note, once again, I thank you for this opportunity, and I hope that we will have a very useful session on this very topical topic. Thank you very much.